Digestive health is integral to feeling healthy, happy, and well. One important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also known as the large intestine, which helps to remove nutrients and water from the food in your digestive tract. Some people claim that colon cleansing is a popular alternative remedy to remove waste and toxins from the colon. Colon cleansing may be helpful for you if you are facing issues like irregular bowel movements or constipation. Now let's talk about how to keep it clean. Let's start things off with some tea. One of the best ways to clean your inside is herbal tea. Herbs like aloe vera, slippery elm, marshmallow root, psyllium and senna act as natural laxatives. Drinking herbal tea can help you loosen things down there if you're facing constipation. Senna is particularly good because it stimulates the intestine, softening your stool and allowing you to go easily. Peppermint tea can help you with irritable bowel syndrome. It soothes the intestine and reduces bloating and abdominal pain. Not a tea person? Okay, then try some juices. One of the best ways to clean your colon and allow it to function better is to drink cleansing juice. A juice cleanse is a detox diet in which you drink nothing but vegetable and fruit juices for a period of time. The fiber content in these juices passes through your colon easily. The more fiber in your digestive system, the better off you will be when it comes to using the toilet. The healthiest juices include beet, cranberry, tomato, apple, and orange. The next drink we will discuss is water. One of the easiest ways to control digestion is drinking lots of water. The water allows you to flush excess weight out of your system. If you're having problem digesting your food or going to the bathroom, you may want to try drinking lukewarm water. You can also eat foods high in water, such as fruits and vegetables like lettuce, watermelons, tomatoes, and celery. There is also something known as saltwater flush. Saltwater flush can be a good option for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. It should be done before eating, so do it in the morning. Pour yourself some lukewarm water and mix it in 2 teaspoons of salt water. Usually the salt that people use is sea salt or Himalayan salt. But remember that there is very little research to show that saltwater flush may work, so you want to talk to your doctor before doing it. Now let's talk about some foods. If you're looking for a healthy digestive system, you must focus on some plant-based foods. This includes fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains. Plant-based foods contain cellulose, a fibrous particle that adds bulk to your stool when passing through your intestine. Cellulose also boosts the production of probiotics, which helps regulate constipation and overactive bowel. Broccoli is a plant-based food you should focus on. Broccoli is not only rich in nutrients but also low in calories and goes down easily. Studies have shown that the more you eat broccoli, the more you go to the bathroom. Besides that, broccoli contains particles that fight against certain cancer cells. You can steam it in a pot or eat it raw, but don't boil it. This will take away most of the nutrients that make it so healthy. And now, there are also things called probiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms that will help to clean your stomach and strengthen your digestive tract. It also decreases the inflammation of the digestive system. You can get a big boost of probiotics by including pickles, yogurt, and kimchi into your diet. Add apple cider vinegar as a probiotic to clean your colon and improve digestion. The acids and enzymes that apple cider vinegar contains kill the harmful bacteria. You should also try resistant starch. Resistant starch is similar to fiber. and is found in plant food like rice, legumes, potatoes, and grains. These promote a healthy colon by boosting gut microflora. Once it is consumed, resistant starch is fermented in the large intestine, feeding your gut bacteria and allowing food to process. However, resistant starch is found in carbohydrates, and if you follow a low-carb diet, you can choose options that cause fewer blood sugar spikes, like rice and waxy potatoes. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. We are not giving you medical advice, and so you should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button.